Hello, my name is Anna and this is my implementation of this search project for the CS50 web programming course. This is my main page. What I did was first build the structure of the page, like this is a flex, well, the whole thing is a flex box, then there is a flex box, this is a flex box here, these two buttons, the bottom, everything. So I built that and then I looked into the Google page, into the code of Google, and started looking for the colors and the shades and so on, and discovered that Google uses something like 1 trillion different colors. I did use them. I made or wrote a CSS that was confusing with all those colors, but it looked exactly like Google's page does. I decided to then implement SASS first because I had never used it, so I thought it might be, well, I was curious to use it. And then I wanted to simplify the whole thing a little bit. At least the colors are unified and it doesn't use so many. And I think, the effect looks really close to the original. It's got the effects that Google has, like the links, this gray background, the button when you hover on it, this one hovering effect here, these two buttons here. And then if you look at the bottom, when you made the page smaller, for example, see what happens there. And then if you keep going, it just stacks like that. This is what Google's page does too. Good. This is the main page. Then you've got images and advanced search. Here, if you click on images, I made the Google logo into a flex box too, to be able to write the images word down here. The search bar also looks a little bit different. It hasn't got the buttons down here like in the main, but it's got here a search button with a tool tip. And then the advanced search, the 4 input fields are stacked like that. The blue button is here. It does what Google's page does too, this column here explaining what you're supposed to put in disappears after a certain size. Good, so this is how the 3 pages looked. Go back to the main, you go up here to the logo and click it. So how it works now. Google search, click, and it takes me to the Google results for the Technical University in Munich. If I go to images, it does the same, well, not the same, but with images for the Technical University. And if I go to advanced search, this is where it actually is, and none of these words, which is the name of the other university. And when I press advanced search, it shows me Munich or Garching, the Technical University as it is, minus Ludwig, minus Maximilian. Good. So this is how it works. Well, one more thing, which is the I'm feeling lucky button. This was a little bit of a struggle because I implemented it, no problem, but it would take me to a redirect page. It was the right page, but it was one more step in between, and that was annoying. So I Googled a little bit and discovered that DuckDuckGo offers the same thing with a backward slash in front of the word. So I tried to implement that and it does work. I used a tiny JavaScript script for that, and if you look at it, when I press I'm feeling lucky, it takes me directly to the page of the Technical University in Munich. And if I go back, you can see what it did. It just added the backward slash to the word I typed.